In this video, we will show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on this Acura MDX with a 3.7-liter engine. This will be accessed through your passenger side wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is raise and support the front of the vehicle so we can remove the wheel. To remove the wheel, we're going to remove all 5 of our 22mm lug nuts and we can get this off of here. With the wheel out of the way, we have a clear view of the oil filter housing, just in front of your right front axle. We're looking for the oil pressure switch located right along the top of this. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and clean up the area because we don't want any miscellaneous debris making its way inside the oil system. We'll use some parts cleaner on this, a quick wipe. After cleaning it, we're going to continue on to our single wire electrical connector. For this, it has a small locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze on that, give it a little wiggle, and lift it up and out of position. A quick inspection for corrosion. We'll set that wiring aside. Continuing from there, you need to use a 24mm to remove this. Once you break it free, typically you can just unscrew it by hand. I'll be using my 24mm wrench for this. We'll turn this counterclockwise. Once again, make sure nothing falls inside the oil system. There it is, friend. We'll just give that a quick wipe, an inspection, and now we can install our brand new oil pressure switch. You'll find that I use some thread sealer directly on the threads there. We'll start this in by hand and bottom it out, continue tightening it with our 24mm wrench. Okay, so right there is bottomed out. Just going to take that just a tiny bit further. We do not want to strip this out, but you do want to make sure it's secure and it cannot loosen up on you while you're driving down the road. Continuing on, we have our electrical connector. We're going to align the locking tab, press it in, listen for a click, and double check to make sure that's secure as well. Continuing from here, it's a good idea to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a short while. Check to make sure you have no leaks. After that, you can reinstall your wheel. Once you have the wheel in place, start on all 5 of your 22mm lug nuts. We'll bottom them out, get the wheels safely on the ground, and torque them to 94 foot-pounds. The wheels back on the ground, we'll be torquing these in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a short while, double check to make sure you have no leak, close the hood, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.